And there's an outbreak of coronavirus at Monroe College in St. Elizabeth. 21 students and 2 teachers tested positive for the virus at the institution, forcing the school to suspend face-to-face classes. As you hear in this report from Kelisha Williams, the York Castle High School in St. Anne has also closed its doors after a positive case.
The statement came from the Education Ministry on Sunday. Monroe College reverts to online teaching after COVID-19 positive cases. It said the Health Ministry conducted tests at the campus between January 18 and last Tuesday and found that 2 teachers and 21 students tested positive for COVID-19. This is the highest number of cases ever recorded at a school since the resumption of face-to-face classes. The ministry said Monroe has since provided a list with all the details of students involved in face-to-face classes, and contact tracing has started. The school is to be deep cleaned and will be offering counseling sessions virtually starting on Monday. Now from St. Elizabeth to St. Anne. The York Castle High School has also suspended face-to-face classes. However, unlike Monroe, only 1 student at the school has tested positive for the virus. TVJ News spoke with Principal of York Castle, Raymond Treasure.
The student was asymptomatic, which means that he was not really showing any signs of having, but I guess once family members have tested, he would have undergone a test too.
Mr. Treasure explained that the student attended classes on February 2, and since then, no other student or member of staff has tested positive.
Of course, it is highly possible that a lot of us are walking around asymptomatic and don't even know. But we have not had any other student turning up to say that, they have received a positive report or other calls since February 2nd. So our decision to close really is to prevent a possible spread, just in case the student may have passed it on to others.
While face-to-face classes are expected to continue once the institution is deep cleaned, Mr. Treasure said parents are now concerned.
We are in a situation now where people are a bit scared, and so even if the Ministry of Health gives us approval, we'll have to go through the process of reassuring people that it is actually safe to return. So I don't even know at this point, but officially we must wait on the Ministry of Health to make such a decision.
Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.